Hey everyone, today we're unboxing the Pigeon Hand steamer. I've been wanting to try a handheld steamer for a while now, and I'm excited to see what this one can do. Let's dive right in. The packaging is sleek and minimalist. I like it. To get the best benefits of this product, go through the user manual before using the product. And here's the star of the show, the Pigeon Hand steamer. It looks quite compact and lightweight. Looks like it comes with a water measuring cup and a brush. Perfect for different fabrics. It feels really sturdy in my hand. The design is ergonomic, which should make it comfortable to use. It's easy to fill the water tank. Because of its wide opening, refilling is simple. Do not fill the water tank past the max indicator line, as this may cause the water to leak. Before filling water, pull out the plug first. Pull down the cover of water filling mouth, then fill water. Never fill above the maximum filling level indicator. Normal tap water can be used, but if you have hard water area, the use of distilled water recommended. Do not use chemically descaled water. Let's see how quickly it heats up. The steam should start coming out soon. When operating the hand steamer for the first time, you may want to try the steamer on an old piece of fabric before steaming your garment. All right, let's test this thing out. I'm going to use it on this wrinkled shirt. Wow, the steam is powerful. It's smoothing out the wrinkles effortlessly. So the Pigeon Hand steamer seems like a promising device. It's lightweight, easy to use, and heats up quickly. I'm excited to use it more and see how it performs in the long run. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.